Feels like a job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave so that I know you stopped by. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from a company, but the company is no longer in business. I did customize this wig fully and it is available on my website, thebeigecollection.com, for purchase. Of course, this is a one-of-one wig, so once it's sold out, it's sold out. The website is thebeigecollection.com. I'll have it on the screen as well as down below in the description box for you guys to browse. So the wig that I'll be working with today is in the style HR02. The length is 20 inches. The density is 150%, and it is a straight lace front wig. The wig comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap, and the hairline is pre-plucked for us as well. The knots are pre-bleached, but they're not fully bleached, so I did go ahead off camera and bleach the knots again. So deep bleaching the knots and plucking the hairline additionally is always optional. You don't have to do it when you first get a wig, but of course, if you want the wig to look 100% natural, then you have to take the extra step to do some customizing to it. So because I already deep bleached the knots off camera, now I'm just going to focus on plucking the knots just to get rid of some of that density from the hairline. To do that, I'll be doing the Beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. All right, so now that I am satisfied with the way that the hairline is coming out, it's now time to tint the lace. I'll be grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. One is the color of my foundation and the second one is the color of my scalp. So the first one I'll be spraying along my hairline, and that is the color of my foundation because that is the color that will be coming in contact with my skin and my forehead and my foundation once installed. And the second one I'll be spraying on the inner portion of the frontal. That is the color of my scalp. I'll be doing 2 layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. So now that I'm finished tinting the lace, I'm just going to press this hair just to mold it because I am going for a curly hairstyle, and to prep it for the curls, I'm going to make sure that the hair is going in the direction that I need it to go into. So I'm just going to apply a hair serum to the hair, take small sections of hair and flat iron through the hair, and then I'm just going to grab a hair wax stick and my pressing comb, and I'm just going to begin to mold and shape the hair to prep it for install. Okay, so now it's time to install the wig. The first thing that I'm going to grab is alcohol. I'm going to clean my forehead off with that alcohol. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape. I'm going to apply that to my scalp. Next, I'm going to grab the wig, place it on my head, make sure that all of the combs are lined up and in their proper placement. Using a pair of scissors, I'm going to make 2 slices in the extra lace, and that's going to divide the extra lace into 3 different sections. Pinning the left and right section out of my face, I'm just going to move the wig backwards. Grabbing Got2b Ultra Glue Gel in the black tube, I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that to the middle section first, then blow dry until it is tacky. Grabbing the extra lace, I'm going to pull it forward and press it into that tacky gel. I'm going to follow those steps for the left and right portions of the wig, then put my headscarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to set. So what makes this video super special is that this is video number 1 of my series, What I Wanted versus What I Got. So one day while browsing through IG, I came across this beautiful picture of this hairstyle that I fell in love with. As you can see, it's flawless, so elegant, so timeless, and I'm going to try my best to recreate it. So let's get started. The hairline being so flawless as it is, the lace melting into my skin as perfectly as it is going to make this hairstyle so easy to attain. So the first thing that I'm going to do is basically find my parting space, and I want a middle part because that's how her hair is parted in the inspiration photo. And then I'm going to basically mold that hair or mold that middle part by grabbing a wax stick and my pressing comb and, just molding it into place. All right, so now I'm just going to take some of that hair out in the front, and I'm basically making a very wide triangle. So now I'm just going to grab BioSilk's Silk Infusion Hair Serum, and I will be applying this to the hair from time to time because I love the shine that it gives it. It also lays the hairs down, and it gives it a very sleek and polished finish. I am grabbing my hair wax stick as well to make sure that the flyaways are laying down for the most flawless finish. Next, I'll just be grabbing my hot comb and just molding the hair into shape. Pinning the hair in the front out of my face, I'm just going to grab my scissors and cut off that extra lace. So next I'm just going to separate how much sideburn hair I want on both sides, and then I'm going to cut it and then grab my curling iron, flip it upwards, and then I'm going to use my comb and some gel to basically make it into a swoop like how you see on the inspiration photo. All right, so next I'm just going to grab my curling iron and begin to curl the hair in loose curls. Using my comb to make a part going downwards and taking a very thin section of hair, I'm going to smooth that with my comb and then hold it backwards and then twist it so that it is going out of my face. Then I'm going to pin it with a bobby pin and do the same thing on the other side. Looking good so far. The last thing to do is grab my curling iron and then curl the two pieces in the front. And here's the result from the what I wanted versus what I got. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below before you leave, as well as leave a comment so that I know you stopped by. Don't forget to check out my website for this wig as well as other custom wigs. They're now available at thebeigecollection.com. I'll have the direct link down below as well as posted on the screen. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Good, bad, and ugly, more than IG. I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could have met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me tell me.
Beige.
Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.